Now let us move on to the illustration sum number 2. You can watch this sum carefully. I will read this sum and explain the sum. First one, on 31st March 2018, the bank column of the cash book of Sendamarai Traders showed a debit balance of rupees 40,200. So, bank column of the cash book of Sendamarai. What is the amount they have given? They have given the answer. What is that? Bank column of the cash book of Sendamarai Traders showed a debit balance. So cash book debit balance means that is a favorable balance. So what is the balance? Balance as per cash book they have given, that is a favorable balance. So if you are going to start the sum with a favorable balance as per cash book means we can derive the balance as per passbook also the favorable balance. Then on examining the cash book and the bank statement, it was found that first one, a check for rupees 2,240 deposited on 29th March 2018 was credited by the bank only on 4th April. So which date we are preparing the bank reconciliation statement? BRS we are preparing as on 31st March. First entry you can listen. Check for rupees 2,240 deposited on 29th March. See, 29th March they have deposited the check, but it was credited by the bank only on 4th April. After preparing that BRS only it was credited by the bank. Whether the check balance will be, passbook balance will be more. No, it will be less. So, passbook balance will be less. So, what is the case? First case you can remember, according to the which balance? Passbook balance which increases the balance, which increase the passbook balance means we can add, which decrease the passbook balance means we have to rest. So according to that we are going to reduce, so that only we have reduced check deposited but not yet presented how many rupees? 2,240. Then because the check collected on April 4th only. So after the preparation of the BRS only, we have received the amount. After that only it was credited. Up to 31st March, listen the word, up to 31st March, the amount did not deposited. So that we are reducing. Then next one, a payment made through net banking rupees 180 has been entered twice in the cash book. So what want to do? See the opposite book, it will be increasing, isn't it? The payment made through net banking. So they have more, there was a more balance in the passbook. So that we are adding a payment entered twice in the cash book. Are you clear? Because the passbook balance will be more. So that we are adding the balance 180. Then check amounting to rupees 500 which were issued to trade payables and entered in the cash book before 31st March 2018. We have given the check to trade payables. We have purchased lot of product, isn't it? For that we have to give the amount. That is called trade payable. See, simply we call it as sundry creditors. Are you clear? Sundry creditors. We have purchased lot of items, for that we are giving the check, that is called trade payables, were not presented for payment till the date. Till the date means here, till 31st March it not presented for payment. So check amounting rupees 500 issued to trade payables and entered in the cash book. Immediately we will enter in the payment column, we will reduce. As soon as giving the check, we will reduce in the payment column in the cash book. So, March 31st were not presented until the payment. So, we have given 500 rupees check to the trade payables, but they have not yet presented the check to the bank. So, what will be the balance? The balance will be more, isn't it? Here also the balance will be more in the net banking. As well as they have presented the check means we have to, the balance will be reducing. We have issued check, we have given the check to the party, that person did not take the check and give the check for collection. For that reason, what was happened? Our bank account balance will be increasing. The same amount will be there. Suppose if the person, those who have given the check, we have issued check to other person, isn't it? If he presented the check for payment in the bank, means our bank balance will be reduced. Up to that, whatever the balance we kept, the same balance will be there. So that we are adding. Are you clear, girls? First transaction. This is next to second transaction. This is third transaction. Now let us move on to fourth transaction. Next one, check amounting to rupees 2000 had been entered. Listen the word, had been entered in the cash book. Already we have entered in the cash book. As soon as giving the amount, having been deposited into the bank on 30th March 2018, but was entered in the bank statement on 3rd April 2018. Check has been deposited into bank, isn't it? We have deposited into bank, but not yet received the amount. That is the meaning of this. So, check amounting to rupees 2000 had been recorded in the cash book as having been deposited into the bank on 30th March 2018, but was entered in the bank statement on 3rd April. So, up to that cash balance, we have deposited the check. Up to 31st March, they did not collect the check for collection. The check deposited but not yet credited by the bank. So, the bank balance will be reducing. So, that we are going to reduce. That is called check deposited but not yet credited by the bank, 2000. Are you clear? Then transport subsidy amounting to rupees 3000 received from Government of Tamil Nadu directly by the bank but not advised to Sendamare traders. See, Sendamare traders is dealing with the transport company, isn't it? So, for that, what was happened? Transport has given the subsidy. Subsidy means manium. It was directly collected by the bank. So bank balance will be increasing. So that we are increasing the balance. We are going to increase add. So transport subsidy collected by the bank 3000 rupees. Are you clear, girls? Next one. A sum of rupees 1500 was wrongly debited to Sendamarai traders by the bank for which no details are available. See, wrong debit by the bank. So the bank balance, passbook balance will be reducing. So that what we have to do? We have to reduce the amount. So last one, wrong debit by the bank. Already in the tabular column also I have given wrong debit by the bank rupees 1500. So these are all the items want to less. So this also want to reduce. How many items want to plus? 1, 2, 3. See here, see the transactions and write balance as per cash book. What are all the items according to the what is the sequence they have given in the sum. The same sequence, don't change the order in the sum, you can write. Are you clear, girls? Add item, which is the first one. See, net payment entered twice in the cash book. So the cash book balance, see, entered twice in the cash book. The balance will be more, isn't it? So passbook balance will be more. Net payment, net banking. So passbook balance will be more. So that we are entering 180. So check issued to trade payables not yet presented. We have issued the check. They did not present the check. Up to they will present the check, our bank balance will be more. So that we are adding. Once again I will tell you, transport subsidy we have collected directly by the bank. So we are running the transport company. We have to assume that we are running a transport company. For that we are getting the subsidy. That subsidy directly collected by the bank. Through that our bank passbook balance will be increasing. So we are adding the sum. Adding the 3000 rupees. So you can collect what are all the items want to add. 180, 500, 3000. Digit wise you can add all the one and then fully you can add it and write it total amount in the total add amount in the outer column and then add both the amount balance as per cash book and then what are all the items you want to add and write below the line and then leave one line and write less what are all the items you want to reduce. Check deposited but not yet presented. We have deposited the check on the 29th March but the bank they may forget to present the check, that is they will present the check on 4th April. So we are preparing the PRS for 31st March. So up to that we did not get the cash. So that we are going to reduce the balance. So passbook balance will be reducing. Check deposited but not yet credited by the bank. So like the same way, passbook balance will be reducing because they did not deposit the check. Then wrong debit by the bank. Wrong debit means our bank balance will be reducing. So that we are reducing the amount 1500. So add all the less items. Write all the less items in inner column. You can add all the less items. You can bring it outside, write it in the outer column. From this amount, what is the total amount? You can add both 40,200 and 3,680, 43,880. And then you can reduce all the less items. 5,740. You can less 43,880 minus 5,740. Totally how many rupees? 38,140. Are you clear? What is the balance we have received? Balance as per cash book means balance as per passbook or bank statement. Any one you can write. Now let us move on to illustration number 3. Now let us move on to illustration number 3. I will read the problem and I will explain the sum first. Then from the following information, prepare bank reconciliation statement as on 31st December 2017 to find out the balance as per bank statement. So here you are going to apply the second case, isn't it? See, overdraft as per cash book they have given. So that means what? Unfavorable balance of cash book. Unfavorable balance of cash book means what is the meaning? Payment is more than the receipt. So that is the meaning. They have given this overdraft as per cash book. What is the amount they have given? 10,000 rupees. So what are all the things want to add? What are all the things want to reduce? I will explain you now. See, for all the sums you can do like this. Cash book and passbook. This is a working note for the BRS. So each and every sum, what want to do? Balance as per passbook and overdraft as per cash book are same. Already I have told you. Now what you are going to do? Balance as per overdraft as per cash book they have given. So what are all the things want to add? The transaction which increase the balance as per cash book. So which increase the balance as per cash book, that you can add. So you have to less what are all the transactions which will increase the balance as per cash book, that you have to reduce. That's all. Cash book balance increase means you can add and cash book balance decrease means you can reduce. Now let us move on to the sum. Overdraft as per cash book means unfavorable balance as per cash book. Then what are all the items they have given? Check deposited but not yet credited. How many rupees? 5,000 rupees. So why we are check deposited but not yet credited? As soon as you see here, we are going to, based on the cash book, we are going to do the sum here, isn't it? So based on the cash book means check deposited but not yet credited. Check as soon as we receive the cash, we receive the check, we treat it as a cash. So we will add. For that reason we are adding. So what are all the balance which will increase means we are going to add. What are all the balance will increase the cash book, that we are going to add. Then what we are going to do? We will increase the cash book, isn't it? Increase the cash book so that we are adding. Then interest on overdraft debited by the bank. So interest on overdraft is debited by the bank. The transaction which is a transaction, this is also, it is going to increase the bank balance, isn't it? So check issued, see the sum, I will explain the sum and then I will move on to the solution. Check deposited but not yet presented for payment. Check deposited but not yet presented. We have deposited the check but not yet presented. As soon as we issue the check, what we will do? Check deposited means what is the meaning? Check issued but not yet presented. What we will do? As soon as we give the check in the cash book, you can see it will reduce the balance. So that we are reducing the sum, reducing this transaction. Then payment received from customers directly by the bank. So what we will do? What is the effect? The transaction which increase the cash book or not? No, we don't know because the passbook balance will be increased. Isn't it? Payment received by the customer directly by the bank. So we don't know the balance. It will reduce the cash balance so that we are going to less. Then amount wrongly debited by the bank. Interest on overdraft. Interest on overdraft by the bank. It will increase the balance in the bank. So that we are going to add. Then amount wrongly debited by the bank. Wrong debit by the bank. What will do? That also after the passbook will come, it will increase the cash book. So that we are going to add. So check deposited but not yet credited. So as soon as we receive the check, what we will think? We will think it as a cash and we will write it in the debit side of the receipt side. So that we are adding the check deposit this transaction. Then interest on overdraft debited by the bank. After receiving the passbook, we will add all the entry in the cash book. So that only we are adding in the cash book. So all the wrong debit, all the overdraft, interest on overdraft, everything it will increase the cash book balance. It will increase the cash book balance. So that what we are doing? Adding. Then if we issue the check means immediately our cash book balance will be reduced. So that we are reducing the amount. The payment received from the customer directly by the bank. So we don't know till the statement will come. So after receiving the statement only we came to know. So that we are reducing the payment, this transaction, payment received from the customer directly by the bank. So what was the final solution? Overdraft as per cash book means overdraft balance as per bank statement. Cash book is overdraft means passbook also will be the overdraft balance. What is the answer? 14,800. The next, let us move on to illustration number 4.